Have you ever wanted to use Chatgpt just like your regular desktop app? Whereby you open your laptop and you click on your Chatgpt and voila, it opens for you to access. Whether you run a Mac OS, Windows OS, or Linux, this is very possible. I have been using this for a very long time now, and honestly, it runs smoothly without any glitch or error. If this is something that interests you, let's go. Just go to your favorite browser and type Google. Once you're on Google, then you type in ChatGPT GBT for Windows. If you are using Mac, just say Mac. If you are using Linux, just say Linux, and you see it here. And the one that had GitHub is the right one. Just click on it, and you will scroll down, and you will see the Windows version here, the Mac version here, and the Linux OS version here. I use a Windows operating system, so I'm going to click on this to download. If you are using Mac, you just click on this. If it's Linux, just click on this. And I'm going to leave the link to this page so that you don't make mistake downloading the wrong one. And if anything change in the future, you know where to come to download and update. See, it has finished downloading. See it here on the left down corner, on the down left corner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this arrow up and click show in folder. Now you have the downloaded software. Then just right click and install Chatgpt. Follow the prompt. It's easy. Just follow the prompt and say yes, and you are good to go. Once you get to this page, just click on launch and finish. Your Chatgpt will launch and come up with your login interface. So just verify you are human, and now log in. Then I'm going to put in, I have my email here. Show me the right email. This is the right email. Okay, then let me put in the password. Awesome, this is done. Now I have my app, my Chatgpt app. Let me show you. See, Chatgpt is here, so I can always run it, and it works the same way. Let's just test it out. Now we have come to the end of this tutorial. If this is something you enjoy, why not subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you good tutorials like this that will help you grow your business and financial life.